Hi students, today we are going to discuss about resources, which is in the 6th standard social science term 2 lesson resources in geography part. Okay, in the last class we have discussed lot of the detailed information about this types of the resources. But now the Gandhian thought on this type of the resources. Gandhian thought on resources. Okay, my dear students, here we are going to see the thoughts of our Gandhiji. Okay, Mahatma Gandhiji. Here there is enough for everybody need and not for anybody greed. This is an important word of Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. Here Mahatma Gandhiji blamed human beings for depletion of resources. Depletion of resources. Because of here first one, over exploitation of resources. Yes, my dear students, exploitation is the very important problem in this society. Exploitation because the high rich people, they can get everything in the world. Without money we cannot get anything in the world. That is the very important topic. Okay, so the rich people, they can get and they can exploit the peoples, the common peoples. Okay, but over exploitation of the resources, it is a very important problem in this society. Okay. Next one, unlimited needs of human beings. Unlimited needs of human beings. Yes, needs are very big, but the resources are very small. See here, this is needs of the human, but this is the resources. This is needs of the humans, but this is the resources. How it is possible to distribute to all the peoples? This is not enough. Okay, my dear students. So we can conserve the resources. Okay, conserve the resources. Yes, conservation is very important for this society. So resources we cannot replace. Okay, non-renewable resources we cannot replace, but renewable resources we can replace very easily. So we use this type of the renewable resources repeatedly. Okay, so you conserve the resource, that is very important. Here the next one, resource planning. Resource planning or management. Resource planning or management. Resource planning. Resource planning or management is a technique. Is a technique or skill. Technique or skill. Here the skill of proper utilization of resources. Utilization of resources. Yes, you can think, children, money is a very important source of the human. Okay, we have much of money, but we know to use that money in a proper way and proper uses. Okay, without this planning we cannot keep this proper. Okay, so this is also the resources, also we need some planning to conserve and we can distribute. Okay, so this is one type of the technique. And here resource planning is necessary. Resource planning is necessary, and because of resources are limited. Resources are very limited. Resources very limited. Their planning is quite necessary. Their planning is also quite necessary. Yes, it is also very important. Okay, the planning is very important. So that we can use them properly, and at the same time we can save them for our future generation. For our future generation. Future generation is also needed. Future generation. Okay, so we can conserve the resources. Resources are very limited, so quite necessary the planning of resources. Next, resources are not only limited. Resources are not only limited, but also they are unevenly distributed. Unevenly distributed. Yes, that is only a very important point. Resources are very less, but this is unevenly distributed. Some places they are big, some other they are, somebody is more, somebody is there. This is the resources. So most of the people, they cannot get the resources. So this is the uneven distribution. This is also a problem, this planning of resources. Okay, here first, resources are not only limited, but also that they are unevenly distributed over the different parts of the world. Over the different parts of the world. Here, the third one, it is essential. It is the resources planning is very essential for the production of resource. Production of resource. To protect them from over exploitation. From over exploitations. Okay, so this resources planning is essential for the production of resources. Okay, yes, so why? Because of the resources are very limited only, limited, so the distribution is also evenly should give to the people, but this is unevenly distributed. Okay, here the money only very important for this resources. This is a very important tragedy problem. Okay, now we are going to see how to conserve the resources. How we can conserve the resources. How it is use for our future generation. These are the topics we are going to discuss in this video. Thank you.